He broke the camera. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh.
The teacher don't want to see you, Dale.
Have you ever turned the radio on when you had a bad day? After doing this, did you notice your mood started changing for the better? I say this from my own experiences after having a long, busy day at work where nothing seemed to go right. I'll turn on the radio on the way home. By the time I've gotten there, my day doesn't seem as bad and my mood is better. Another example of how music helps is when you're at church singing worship songs. Your mood is lifted by the music. How is this possible, you ask? Music has several ways that it can heal you. These are just two examples of how it can do so. Now, some of you may wonder other ways that music can affect you. If you or someone you know has health problems such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, mental health, or lost their ability to speak, music therapy can help you with these health issues. Today I will be discussing some of these problems, how these people benefit from music therapy, and how you can find out more information about this health field. According to the Harvard Health Blog by Harvard Medical School, music therapy can help restore lost speech. They state that music therapy can help people who are recovering from a stroke or traumatic brain injury. Traumatic brain injury that has damaged the left brain region responsible for speech. Because the singing ability originates in the right side of the brain, people can work around the injury to the left side of their brain by first singing their thoughts and then gradually dropping off the melody. Former U.S. Representative Gabby Giffords used this technique to enable her to testify before a congressional committee 2 years after a gunshot wound to her brain destroyed her ability to speak. Another benefit is that music helps with your mental health. You may wonder how it does this. According to the Music Therapy Association, music is a form of sensory stimulation that provokes responses due to the familiarity, predictability, and feelings of security associated with it. The American Music Therapy Association also lists several mental health benefits from music therapy. One of the benefits they mention ties back to my introduction in that music can change your mood into a positive one. Another benefit mentioned is that it helps express oneself both verbally and non-verbally, as well as develop coping and relaxation skills. These are just a few of the benefits they listed. Another benefit of music therapy is it helps with Parkinson's disease. According to the neurosurgeon Dr. Christopher Dumas, the Music Heal Project, it says that it has been found that upon hearing certain types of music, a patient with Parkinson's disease who is unable to even walk can actually dance. Much like an Alzheimer's patient becomes revitalized upon hearing a familiar song, a Parkinson's patient, after hearing a particular beat or rhythm, begins to move flawlessly. Now, the Parkinson's Disease Foundation states that as many as 1 million Americans live with Parkinson's disease, and apparently 60,000 Americans are diagnosed with Parkinson's disease each year. That's a lot of people. However, there are still millions more that are diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. According to the Alzheimer's Association, an estimated 5.4 million Americans of all ages have Alzheimer's disease in 2016. Within those 5.4 million, it states that 1 in 9 people aged 65 and older has Alzheimer's disease. I'm sure many of you will agree that that 1 in 9 people is a very high and scary statistic. Here, this chart shows the various groups that affect or that help people with music therapy. These people have Parkinson's disease, autism, cancer, surgical procedures, or mental health issues. In this video, it has research on music therapy and how it helps.
A growing number of studies do suggest music can aid healing in various ways. One recent scientific paper out of Harvard showed music therapy helped stroke patients regain speech. And other studies found music may improve heart and respiratory rates and blood pressure, as well as anxiety and pain in cancer and leukemia patients.
Now we'll hear a clip from a music therapy student at the Texas Women's University.
it really impacted me to the point where I found my calling in life. Also, I had composed some songs earlier, and I remember one of the certain songs that brought a girl to tears. And just the powerful emotion behind that really, really touched me during my practice sessions and other studies. And then in the field I want to get into is more behavioral psychology, chemical dependency. And to be able to really impact someone's life is the most powerful thing in the world. And music is a universal language. We really, really all understand that. So the main reason why I love music therapy is because it doesn't just help the client, it helps the music therapist.
In conclusion, music therapy may not be everyone's cup of tea, but with all of the proven health benefits, it is definitely worth considering. Music has various ways that it can heal people, whether it's by relieving physical pain, improving our mental state, or even helping people to learn to speak again. If you or anyone you know is dealing with painful or serious conditions like the ones I have mentioned, then I strongly urge you to consider music therapy. Find a local music therapist, go to the American Music Therapy Association website at www.musictherapy.org/about/find. Then you'll need to click on the link that says Find a Music Therapist in our online directory and put in your search criteria. Isn't it time that we started taking care of our health? Music therapy is just one of the ways we can do this. Thank you.
We're all